First there was a beaver, now a snake.
Yeah, you got all kinds of animals here.
Oh no, it's kind of blurry.
There's its head.
Ew.
Kind of hard to see.
Oh no, it's right there. You wanna
Say it like that, oh, oh, oh. Got me falling right back, oh, oh, oh. When you say it like that, oh, oh, oh. Let me fuck you right back, oh, oh, oh. Got me falling right back.
But anyway, let's go walk here to the creek. Come on, Baba.
Okay.
You hold it like Baba. Like that. We just walk here. We're gonna see the creek. Not so fast, Baba. We just look around here. Let's see if the beaver here. We need to look, Baba, because maybe there's snake in here, Baba. The snake. I know the snake. It was like a garden. You see that there was like a garden snake. Oh, look at that fly. Gonna walk here. I'll show you. First there was a beaver, now a snake.
Yeah, you got all kinds of animals here.
Oh no, it's kind of blurry.
There's its head.
Ew.
Kind of hard to see.
Oh no, it's right there. You wanna see it? Here you go. It's right here. So yeah, I know I saw you before, but Baba keep on watching, Baba. So we just watch here, Baba. This smell good. This one is really smell good. Smell like this flower smell like sampagita. This is really pretty. Baba, look where you're going, okay, Baba? Oh, I'm like a bit scared of the snake. Ooh.
Looks kind of scary.
But this is the snake. It was like it was not what Baba? There was not dangerous snake. It was only a garden snake.
Yeah.
But I'm still scared. Okay, Baba. You can hold it, Baba. So we're gonna go this way. We're gonna go walk here. We're gonna show our creek, Baba.
Okay.
Ooh, look at the red bird, Baba.
Oh, it's a pretty nice view over here.
I don't know where to go. There's no water here. We just look for the snake. Oh, look at this tiny blueberry. This one is like
Yeah, it's like a raspberry.
a raspberry.
It's like a flower or something.
Oh, look at this. Did you see that?
Maybe we should wait for it to grow. Maybe next time
Is this a...
we'll see it will grow.
I don't know. No, there's no water here. I'm just keep looking, Baba. Ooh. Wanna go there, Baba? Look for the snake. You scared?
There's a lot of bees over there.
What is there?
There's a lot of gnats over there.
Let me see if I can zoom out. Ooh. Maybe it's a snake, Baba. Brrr.
They're probably all around.
Are you scared? This is just... Baba, don't go there. What's that? The beaver?
I found a beaver dam.
Found a beaver? Where?
Oh, a beaver dam.
Where?
Over here.
Is it still there?
Right there.
Where?
See those bunch of sticks? That's a beaver dam.
Oh, that's the beaver there. Did he drop?
Don't get too close. Yeah, no,
You see this? My daughter said that the beaver make this file. Oh, you cannot really see it because it's kind of dark over there. Ooh. Baba, I'm scared going that way, Baba. Maybe we just go back. There was a deer here earlier.
We should look for more gardens.
Huh?
Maybe look for something like...
What?
We should look for more gardens because there are gardens.
What we gonna look for, Baba?
We're probably looking for gardens.
Gardens? I mean, in our gardens?
No, there would we have to like hide or something so they can come out.
You wanna go here in the water, Baba?
I'll try.
Okay, go, Baba.
You actually want me to?
Maybe just me, Baba.
Okay.
Okay. You just go to the water. What's in here, Baba?
You're scared.
Are you scared?
I'm not. I really want to go.
Ooh, look at this. Come, Baba. I'll show you, Baba. I'll show you the creek. Guys, let's go to the creek. Oh. Don't drop it.
I'm scared. Here. I want to try and get over there.
Where?
I want to try and across there.
Oh, you don't go across there.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. Okay. Anyway.
I always wanted to go over there.
Wanna go? Okay, be careful. Go jump. What's in there? Ooh.
There's a lot of leaves. I can't find any fish.
You know fish?
Yeah.
Baba? No more, Baba. Baba, careful.
I know.
Oh, look at that. Beautiful, right? This is beautiful.
Yeah.
Can you swim here, Baba?
Yeah.
You do?
Well, I don't see it.
Ooh. Yeah, this is good, like, you know. If we are in the Philippines, we can just, people will go washing. Will go washing here. Alright, guys, it's getting dark, so we're gonna go, Baba. Come on. Come on.
Very cool.
Yeah. Maybe you can play there.
Yeah.
In the... Baba, you need to hold this, Baba. We're gonna walk, Baba, this way, Baba, here. Because it's the sun over here. You can just keep walking. We're gonna walk. Guys, we're just walking here in our backyard. This is our backyard, guys.
Yeah.
You remember the deer? There was a deer
Yeah.
over here.
There's a deer over there.
Yeah.
Let's
Look,
come
Baba,
over there.
for the snake, Baba. Look for the snake.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably somewhere near there.
Hmm?
It's probably near there.
Can you see
It
that?
looks kind of like a garden, so maybe it's there.
Mm. Come on, guys. I'll show you my what is that, Baba? My garden. Our garden, Baba.
Yeah. Let's show them our garden.
Okay.
Let's show them what we're planting so far. So pretty.
Okay, Baba. I'll show you. Oh, this puppy is just so barfing. This is so beautiful today. Beautiful to walk.
Maple and everything.
Baba, you can do. Let me do some push-up, Baba. Never mind, because I'm wearing skirt. This is where I exercise here. The last time I work out here. I probably work out here tomorrow. So let's go back. Maybe the snake is still there. There was a snake over here. Look at this birdie. Yeah, there was a snake earlier here. You wanna go biking, Baba?
Yeah.
Okay, which bike? Over here. I'm walking, and my daughter gonna go biking. She's going to go biking. She's practicing. She's practicing, guys. So let's go. Follow her. Ayan, yung aming neighborhood, guys. It's very quiet over here. Very quiet. Ayan, it's getting dark. Keep on moving, Baba. Yeah. It's good to walk or biking, follow with your kids, you know. Oh, there's a nice bird over there. You see? Oh, a bird gone. There's a lot of hummingbird. Hummingbirds. Where are you going, Baba? Keep on moving. This way.
Okay.
Yeah, we just keep on moving. Just like, you know, just like that. Okay. This is just so nice. The sunset. See the sunset, guys. Sunset. I don't know how to flip this thing here. I try to flip, but seems right is not right. So I don't need to flip it over. More kids here, guys, outside. It is now 8 o'clock, but it's still so bright, right? It's already 8 o'clock in the evening here, but it's still bright. The sun is just, you know, it's just going down. I mean, it's not down yet, but it's still up. It's a bit up. Going this way, Baba.
Okay.
Come on. Huh? This way. We're just gonna walk. I mean, I'm gonna walk. I didn't exercise this morning because it was I was a bit late. I woke up late. So I have time, but come on, Baba. Huh? You need to hold the brake. Keep on moving.
Too much.
Why, you wanna go back?
Yeah.
You wanna go back?
That's fine.
All right, let's go. Let me know if you're tired now, okay? All right. Let me just walk. I should you hold like this, Baba. Look, you hold it like this. Look, that.
But then I break over there and bump into something.
No, when you hold this thing like that, you hold it. You hold the brake.
How much?
You hold it. Put your hands a little bit here, like this.
Okay.
A little bit there, so that when it's time to stop, you can stop. Okay.
I know.
All right. Okay, balance first. Yeah, it's just like, so beautiful. You can hear the bird. The bird, so beautiful. It's just so beautiful, and it's not humid. You need to take advantage on this weather, because it's like once it's getting like when it's like really summer, sometimes it's really humid. It's not good for walking. Where are you going? You wanna go back?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. She said she wanna go back, so I'm just going back home. We're just going back home, guys. So yeah, still good to walk around. We've been walking for like car, Baba. Okay, just slowly, take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy, our neighbor just passed by. Yan, yung aming neighborhood. Yan. Yan. Yung aking baby. Nagbabike-bike. Yan. She's going. Yan, guys. I don't know how to flip this over. So she's going now. So we need a little bit hurry. Hurry, guys. She's faster because she's biking. So I need to follow her, but faster. You can see the sun probably here now because I'm on, but the sun is gone now. It's gone. And then my daughter is going back. She's a bit faster because she's on bike. See the moon. Let's go. Hurry. Yeah, it's always good to walk after you eat. I know some people after they eat they go to the gym, get some, they want to burn what they eat. But for me, it's just walking. Walking is enough once in the night time. But I usually exercise in the morning, or and in the evening if my kids want to go biking or walking, then I can go with them. So nice. Feels so good today. Whew, it's just wonderful weather. Yeah, very quiet, our neighbor. Very quiet. Very quiet area. So that is all, guys. Seems like, yeah, do you see the sun over there behind me? It's just beautiful, right? See, wanna go now?
Yeah.
All right, guys. My daughter thinks she's enough. She have enough for today, so we're gonna go have enough too. And she's going right here. All right, where are you going? Yeah, it's so beautiful. Wow, look at the sky. Can you see the sky? What is it there? Ooh, seems like it's so bright. Yeah, the sun is over there. Kita niyo, guys? Look at that, so sunny. Yung ating hair na walang soklay. Ayan. Okay, baba. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope to see you tomorrow on my exercise routine. I'm gonna work out tomorrow, so abangan niyo yan. Paalam. Bye po. Bye. Until next time. And thank you so much to all people who subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to push that ring the bell button so that you will notify when I update a new video. And thank you again. Bye, guys. Okay, after we walk, we stop by on my garden. I get some mint. So now I'm gonna drink some mint tea. I got some mint tea, guys. Ayan. Ang ating mint tea. That's from the garden. My mint tea is from the garden. It's we're gonna get some spoon to mix it. Yeah, this is really good for you, especially when you work. When you work out, this is really good. Yeah, it's also if you don't have soup as for tonight, this is your soup for tonight. Okay, look at that. Yeah, just boil it for a couple minutes. It's not a couple minutes, a couple seconds maybe, because the water is already boiled. Once your water is already boiled, so you just um, add the mint, and then just maybe a minute, 1 minute. I think it's 1 minute is enough. Yeah, yes, 1 minute. Ooh, isn't it pretty? All right, guys. So yeah, that's it. After you walk for like 15 minutes, and then you need to drink this, and now you have tea for tonight. Before you go to sleep, you will drink this tea or any kind of tea you get there. That's what I have this fresh. This is fresh from my garden. I usually drink uh tea that is in the bag. I have lots of different kind of tea, but for this time, this time I will drink this mint tea, since I have bunch of mint tea. Mint tea is just like a weeds. It grow everywhere. This kind of mint, it grow everywhere. So I have bunch, especially in the on this same, but it's good to have a fresh one. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.